spend my time without her. You're everything I